Welcome inside the modern leather tannery.
The process begins with the arrival of preserved hides.
Every hide is examined for quality.
Digital sensors record precise measurements.
Equipment prepares each hide for treatment.
Automated systems begin rehydration.
Additives assist in cleaning.
Mechanized lifts manage heavy loads effortlessly. The hides enter controlled washing units. Soaking restores natural moisture. Limming removes hair and loosens fibers. Materials move seamlessly through each step.
Mechanical rollers complete the dehairing process.
Fleshing ensures uniform, clean material. Primary tanning stabilizes the hide structure. Automation ensures consistent chemical balance.
Quality checks maintain standards.
Conditioning prepares the leather for finishing.
Thickness must be controlled precisely. Laser accuracy creates uniform layers. Mechanical softening gives flexibility. Craftsmen verify texture quality. Coloring is done with controlled precision.
Embossing adds style and texture. Surface finishing enhances durability. Final drying sets the tone and sheen. Cutting creates precise product parts. Stitching ensures durability. Branding adds signature identity.
Assembly completes each masterpiece.
Rigorous testing guarantees performance.
Packaging preserves quality.
Secure packaging ready for shipment. The journey continues across the world.